In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Home Chef discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Home Chef discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 30% off your next order, all you need to do right here is select your coupon code. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code. And if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get that 30% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retailmenow.com, and you can open it. And as you can see right here, you also have some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 18 free meals, all you need to do right here is select your code, and this is your promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code, and if you apply this one on your next purchase, you'll get this 18 free meals right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.